While sitting on rock ledge at coast, I was disturbed by bird and friend. I was eating a chip, and these two bird friends were soon befriended by some other acquaintances. More fucking seagulls. Well, that did it. I ate that chip with a smile. After digesting my chip, I had so much guilt that I threw up. I've not returned to that place since then. But sitting at another location on the coast, I'm sure I met their relatives. It's upon hundreds of seagulls. So to alleviate my guilt, I went and bought a packet of chips and gave them half. I ate the other half and did not throw up. I was pleased and happy to go forward. These days when I go to ledges, I go with a smile and a bag of chips. Looking at the sea from the ledge with smiling face, I noticed a boat, a sailing boat, and I think to myself and wonder, would they have a bag of chips? I understand if they don't, but I understand if they do. Happy sailing, and don't forget the chips. Please, please, please don't forget the fucking chips. Thank you.